So I've been here 8 days. 8 whole days wearing these same dirty clothes.
Drinking a bottle of Merlot.
It's awful. They won't let me leave. They just keep telling me to spin the dreidel.
Spin the dreidel.
Spin it!
The other arm's gonna get it if you don't spin the dreidel.
Hey, Jenna, you ever have cachaça? You will now.
Is it whiskey?
It's Brazilian whiskey.
Oh.
Oh, it's oak? All right. Allergies, here we come. Is my throat going to close up? Is it not? I can't smell it. No. I do have slight allergies, but we're going to figure it out. If he gets itchy, we'll go with it. No, bring it back.
I got something that's not oak, probably.
You drop.
Yeah. You're not dropping.
Okay. Hey!
Much better.
All right, Jenna, this is still Brazilian booze that's not oaked.
Thank you.
Blonde.
It's still
I said it
making
wrong.
my throat itchy, but
That's a blonde.
Oh, there's a hair on it. Whose hair?
That's flavor.
It's from my chinny chin chin.
Oh.
All right, this is the last one.
Like them fucking candles.
I feel like I need to make you do this the prayer.
Okay. Bust it out.
You busted up.
Hey, hey.
That's offensive, and I'm leaving it in.
I did not do my bat mitzvah, so...
Where did I?
It's Marley when you need her.
All right.
She doesn't know either.
Oh, shit.
Okay, so you don't know it?
No.
Well, then why are you trying to bring me out on it?
Because you're a Jew and you have a phone. Mine's being used.
Bust a phone out for me, please.
Got this one.
It's gonna be awful.
Siri, say the Jew prayer. Nope.
Just say Hanukkah prayer.
Okay.
Yeah,
Don't be.
Siri, say the Hanukkah prayer. That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
Okay, cool.
Hold on.
Thank you.
We're here.
Welcome, folks. You're gonna break something, man. Welcome, folks, to the final night of Hanukkah. Thank God. Final night of Flip Nas Nanukka special, brought to you by Odin MFG. My cool Canadian friends that send me cool shit to send to you guys. They're rad dudes. Make sure you go to their page and like it, because they're awesome. Oh, I knew I shouldn't have used fresh candles. This takes forever now.
It's worth it.
Is it?
For Nanukka.
Oh, Nanukka. Oh, wait, that's Christmas. All right, come on, we're almost
Making me
done.
fucking nervous.
Why? Why is this making you nervous, Jenna? Because as soon as this is done, cheers, we're done.
No.
You gotta get done first. Do the thing.
Oh, fine.
About day 8.
All right.
Day 8. It's a special.
Day 8. Kyle taught me how to do this right with my bad hand, so let's see if it works.
I was a good teacher.
That means nobody drinks, right?
Yes.
That was no.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Oh,
Yeah, it does.
It means get all. Gimmel.
You gotta chug that.
Got it.
We're drinking Brazilian cachaça.
I would have taken the other one instead.
All right. So for the final night of Nanukka, Odin has decided.
Go on.
Take
So for the final night of Nanukka, Odin has so graciously decided to give me a promo code for the winner for $100. So you go on their website, you pick what you want, you put in the promo code, you get $100 off your whatever you order. So this is it, guys.
This is it.
It was a great Hanukkah.
Yeah, I had a blast. It was a great Nanukka.
Nanukka, get on brand.
Cha-na-na-ka.
It was fun.
Nanukka.
I learned a lot about myself and Jewish candle lighting and spinning this thing.
Why are you better at it than
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Nobody drinks. We're safe.
Yes.
me? Once more. Till
This was
next
fun.
year.
I liked it. Thanks, Odin.
Thank
That
you,
was fun.
Odin.
Catch you on the flip side.
I thought we were putting up thumbs.
Put the knife away. All right, dickheads. 3, 2, 1. Catch you on the flip side. Wow, that was real gay.
Yeah. I did the finger guns and everything.
Finger guns. Pew, pew.
Put the knife away, but we get finger guns?
Yeah,
Get
man.
the fuck out of here.
It's America.
Can't say that on YouTube.
Guns?
It's
It's America.
It's
over. This will be fun to edit.
You're gonna call us back out here when you're like, no, Kyle had the knife out so many times that I didn't realize we need to redo this. I had the knife out so many times.
I'm sure. Apparently, we kind of forgot to tell you how to win this $100 grand prize. So, yeah, we were over this. Day 8, NANUKKAH8. Yeah, hashtag NANUKKAH8 to win. Yeah.
Sorry. It's been 8 days, Flip. I'm fucking tired. You haven't let me go home yet.
Yeah, day, what was it?
Day.
NANUKKAH8.
Ah, shit, what was it?
Hashtag NANUKKAH8. Hashtag NANUKKAH8 down in the comments. That's how you win NANUKKAH8 you too.
Hashtag it's fucking finally over.
Hashtag NANUKKAH8 you win a $100 grand prize.